Yep.
Awesome. So we basically have the top points. So we have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mhm.
And then to find them underneath, can you just hold that for us? You have, so I've numbered it all just in case.
Oh yeah, okay,
so
cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you do get caught out, you can just double check what all your numbers are.
Yep.
And then I have everything else numbered underneath as well. So you have your 4 there, 1, 2,
Oh yeah, 2. Yep.
etc.
Yep.
All right, let that one down. Then, so if we do these ones first of all. So if you can't, if you lift it up, you can find the button underneath it.
Mhm.
And that's probably your easiest way to actually see where you're going. So this string here pulls out like that.
Yep.
And then this button pops out like that.
Oh.
Right?
Oh my god.
And then you want to like twist this. If you twist it, then it like makes a knot on itself.
Oh yeah, okay.
But you could just do it normally, and then if it comes undone, twist it the next time. Come on. There we go. That's the extra. Making it look so difficult. Okay, so there's that one, and then same here. You've got the little string, and it pulls against that button, and then you put it against this little peekaboo button.
Oh my god. Oh.
Goes on a whole lot easier. But yes, if it's twisted, then it makes sure there's like a twist underneath there as well to not
So
fall
it
off.
holds, right.
Yeah.
Okay, yep.
Okay, so that's those two, and then under here we have 1, 2, 3.
Mhm.
Oh, there's another one too. There's 2 onto the ones. I need to put that in the diagram. Okay, so we have some more that's like in the seam. So that goes onto this peekaboo button. And then same on the other side. This string, which goes onto the top peekaboo. So now all 4 have 1 each.
Yep.
And then in the actual skirt itself, where are they? Here.
Yep.
So we have, and I'll press these marks out before you go. So we have 1, 2, 3 there.
Yep.
And so we go 1 onto that same one. And then these are reinforced with ribbons behind it onto the zip, so that the weight should actually go like here,
Okay.
rather than being pulled all down this seam.
Yep.
And then the other one here. And then the last one in the center goes onto this hook. And then you complete your folds in. you go. It's all now the same length as the
Cool.
front of it.
Yeah.
All right, do
Awesome.
you want to give us a bit of a spin?
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's so cool.
There you go.
I love
No,
it.
it's the leg lift that you like to do.
Feels like-
We went
That's
to a
right.
wedding.
Mhm.
These ones.
She fell
Yeah,
over like
it's fun.
3 times.